Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I've got a super early spoiler video to share with you, and I've got Asos's January 2021 beauty box. That's what it looks like. As always, if you know everything there is to know about Asos and you're just curious in seeing what's inside this January box, you will find a timestamp down below. But if you're new to Asos, then carry on watching. Asos have been doing monthly beauty boxes for a couple of years now. It's not a subscription, you just need to create an account on Asos. Then once that's all set up, then once these boxes are released, then you're able to have a look, see what's inside, to see if it's for you or not, and then you're able to purchase it. Now these boxes sell out super fast, and the last couple of months they've sold out within hours. So to be in for a good chance of not missing out on these boxes, I truly recommend you follow me everywhere. You follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, and on YouTube as well. All the same name, Diaryofabeautygeek, but as soon as I find out, I post up posts everywhere. So hopefully you will get a chance to see it super early. They are released around the 1st of every month. Sometimes it can be a little bit later, which we've seen in the last couple of months. So there's no particular set date. But from the 1st of every month onwards, you can guarantee that I am checking, if not every half hour, definitely every hour, because I don't want to miss it and I don't want to miss sharing it with you lot. As always, some months are better than others. All the products that you'll find in the beauty boxes can be purchased off the Asos Face and Body section, and you've got the option for next day delivery if you want to as well. I pay £9.95 a year. That entitles me to free next day delivery. Or if you only purchase the box, which I forgot to say is £12, then you will have to pay, I think it's £3 unless you spend over £25 or £30, something like that. I can't remember now. So that's why I take out the £10 a year, because I shop a lot on Asos. I do all my clothes shopping on Asos, and yeah, I buy a lot of beauty products on there as well. So it saves me money and it means I get things next day, which I really like. This box ships internationally. They've got a huge list of countries that they do ship to. You will find in my description a link so that you can actually take a look at those countries, because there are some countries that they don't ship to. Not many, but there are a few there. So all details and everything related to this box you will find in my description, as well as that link to see the countries. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and everything would be listed down there. Let's get on to showing you what's inside. This is how it arrives. 2 little cards here. I'll give you a sneak peek. All the products that are featured in their boxes range from full size, travel sizes, deluxe, minis. Sometimes we've had added extras like little samples and things. There's a little card here with a message for me from Asos, and the reason you're seeing this super early is because Asos sent it to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. I don't receive their boxes every single month, but now and again I do, and I'm really grateful for them. So any boxes that I buy myself then goes up for giveaways on my Facebook page or my Instagram page. So yeah, so this little note says, if ever there was a time for some TLC, it's now. That's why January's exclusive Asos box, which is £12, is packed full of goodies from some of our face and body faves to help boost your mood and kickstart your self-care in 2021. With love, Asos. And then inside every single box you get a little card like this, and it details everything about the products inside the box, so I refer to this as we go along. So the first item in the box, this is a product by Alpha H. This is a clear skin daily face and body wash with tea tree, and there's 30 mils here. It says on the back, an invigorating gel cleanser designed to help treat and prevent breakouts on your face, neck, chest and back. This wash uses a coconut derivative to naturally create a slight lather to cleanse the skin without foaming. There, so looking at the card, can I tell you anything else about it? It says, first up, the Alpha H Clear Skin Daily Face and Body Wash helps to purify and revitalize your skin, leaving you feeling clean and fresh. Next up, there's the Caudalie Vino Pure Purifying Toner, which targets breakout prone skin while still being extra gentle on your face. And there's 50 mils here. It just says apply morning and evening on cleansed skin with a cotton pad and do not rinse and avoid eye area. So there's that. Next it says here, for a dose of your 5 a day, try Elemis Smoothie inspired Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. It's loaded with all the good stuff to hydrate your skin and give yourself some pampering, because nothing beats a night of indulgent self-care, right? And there's 15 mils here. I've used other products in this range before and they're really lovely, but I've never ever tried this mask. So yeah, Nourishing Probiotic Green Mask. So there's that. Next we've got something that smells gorgeous, and it says here, the Neom's Energizing Hand Balm has all the refreshing ingredients to lift your spirits and look after any dryness during the colder months. And it's 30 mils here. I love this brand. 100% natural fragrances to boost your well-being. After massaging this nourishing natural balm into your hands, inhale the fragrance to help boost your energy. Their packaging looks very, very similar in all of their products. So I might already have this, I'm not too sure. I do have quite a few Neom products. Oh, that's so nice. You can't see anything as usual, but it feels nice and it just smells gorgeous. Yeah, I really like that. Very, very lemony, which I love. And then lastly, we got something for your hair. And it says here, give your hair a new year makeover with this iconic Away Wave Spray. A lightweight mist that brings on instant boost to your hair's bounce, shine and shape. And it just says at the end, and there you have it. The perfect treat to kickstart your self-care this January. Enjoy, Asos. We've got 30 mils here. Asos did a brand takeover box a couple of months ago and it was all these products, and yeah, really, really nice. I always assumed that it was just hair care that they did, but they don't. They do body care as well, which is lovely. I'm not very good at reading on clear bottles. A weightless, excuse the frowning, not good is it for wrinkles. A weightless texture mist for effortlessly chic undone hair. I'm not going to read anything else. Should I just try a bit in my give it a bit of texture. Looking in the viewfinder, I don't know what's happening to my hair. It smells nice. So there we go. We've got a wave spray for your hair. So those are all the items. I'm just going to gather them all up. So these are all the items inside the Asos January box. There's 5 products in all. We've got a cleanser. We've got a toner, we've got a face mask, we've got a hand balm, and we've got a wave spray for your hair. Now they don't give you prices in these boxes, but they do say that their beauty boxes are worth around 70% more than what you pay for the box. There's some luxury brands here, so I think you can actually buy this Elemis product here for around £10. So for an extra £2 then you're getting the rest. That's a close-up of all the items. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Are you going to buy one in January, or are you watching this learning for the first time that Asos do these boxes? I'd love to hear all your thoughts, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.